Hello guys, welcome back to Geeky Engineer and hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for your previous responses and let's start the session. Now just make before that let's make a folder here. Go into the profile. Okay. I know it doesn't have holder like bullet don't have holders there. It just directly go into the chassis and but the modern like 650 and all these interceptor are having the handlebars where you can like mount it. Just below the handlebar there are clamps and there you can mount it. So I'm just making it. Enable the skits and disable the bodies. Click on this one. Enable the bodies to see it's from the center. Okay, no worries. Just extrude it, make it. You can move it later on, no worries. That's fine, that's great. Properly, what we have to do, we have to subtract this so that the internal geometry won't retain there. Let's make it a bit inside. That's great. You can see this one. So in this scenario, what you have to do is just click on this one and click on the keep tool one and then subtract it. You can see it still presses, so just extrude it negatively and disable the bodies before you extrude it. It's gonna make change in your this body. So okay, fine. Now enable it again. That's great. To create, go into the mirror, select the body, mirror plane. As we are making to the center, just choose it, and there you go. Let's make it and let's give it a final touch up. Let's make our profile. Click on OK so that you will get the endpoints. Now just make a rough sketch. Just complete the profile and revolve it. Yeah. Now you got the profile, babe. Now it's a very easy step. Just revolve it. Boom. See? But baby, before making it, let me make it a bit more clear. So here you are revolving the whole whole profile. What you have to do, you have to, before revolving it, you just forgot one thing, that you have to make a boundary for that. That is, you have to add an offset. Yeah, because it's not gonna be a solid body, right? Okay, click on the axis, change it to 360. Okay, click on new body, click on OK. Fine, here is your headlight. These lines are for the diffraction, so that light will, the beam will spread a bit. But here we are using a projector, so we don't need that, but still just make it look cool. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, now just click on this one and bam, go onto the mirror. We're gonna make this up. Go onto the mirror again. First of all, let me choose the mirror line. There you go. Choose the object. There you go. Here's your profile. I think this would be fine. Make it a new body. Click on OK. add a fillet. Well, that's fine, that's looking good. Now you have to add the fillet after add. Thanks for watching this video. Press the bell icon and subscribe for more.